So I am doing a video on how to install Active Directory domain services. And before I do that, I want to make sure this is a new server. So I want to just confirm what I did so far. So I went and I changed the computer name, and you can go here. If you want to change or rename the computer, you will click on computer name, and then you will click on change. You could change the name of your computer, and I'm using work group because this is a home environment. Okay, and then you would click on OK. Then I went and I changed the IP address, which is right here, the Ethernet. And then you can right click on it and click on properties. Next, you would like to be able to click on Internet Protocol version 4. I double click it, and then I added my IP address, which is static, and I did that, and I also did my subnet mask and my DNS server. So we good on that. And then you also want to make sure that your product ID is activated. Okay. Next, we're going to go to dashboard. I want to be able to configure this local server, so I'm going to click on add roles and features. So before you begin, you want to make sure that you read this so you know what you are doing. I'm going to click on next, and then I'm going to click on role based and features installation. Next, I'm going to select my server for the server pool. So the server that I'm working on is the RTS-DC1. Next, I'm going to click on Active Directory Domain Services. And I'm going to click on Add Features. And I'm going to click Next. I'm going, excuse me. I'm going to accept the default features. Okay. And then I'm going to click on next again. So pretty much the Active Directory Domain Services is just going to store all the information about your user groups, your computers, and any other devices that's on your network. And before you can be able to do that, you have to make sure that you have your DNS server installed on the network, which I am going to do next. But right now we are focusing on adding this particular role and features. Okay, so I'm going to click on next, and then I'm going to click on install. And after I install this, I'm going to close it. Okay, so it is installed now. So I'm going to click on close, and then I'm going to restart my computer